Hi guys, I just received my Walmart spring beauty box, and here it is. And I have taken the items out of the box, and I'm just gonna read back what the card says. It says Spring Beauty Sensation. Shop this season's products and find ingredient information at hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And this is what the card looks like. Okay, the first item that I received is called Salon Perfect Design Nail Set, and it's in a gray marble with gold design, and this is what it looks like. And it's 24 nails in there, the glue. Then the next item that I received, it says Calm, and it is a natural vitality magnesium supplement. The flavor is raspberry and lemon flavor, and this is what this looks like. The next item that I received is toothpaste, and it is Hello, and it's a whitening, and it says fluoride free toothpaste. It's like a sample size. Then the next item that I received here is the Hello charcoal infused tampered bristle naturally friendly BPA free, and it's soft bristles. This is what that looks like. Then the next item that I received is a new Suave Professional, and it's a curl define cream in shea butter and pure coconut oil, and this is what that looks like. I got 2 of these. And then the last thing that I received in there is Borat, and it's a rose quartz charcoal, and it's oily. It says oily skin, and it's a daily purifying cleanser. And I'm just going to show you the cards that I received in here. And this is one for Suave Professional. And they give me on the back $2.50 savings for the full size. And then this is for the crumbs, and it says de-stress. Now, those are all the products that I received. The box costs only $5, and this is for the Walmart beauty box for the spring 2020. And you know what? I just want to thank you for watching, and please give my videos a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to say goodbye.